Hey gang, did you know that in time, every home will need their water pipes eventually replaced? Ooh, sounds expensive. It's just the nature of the game. So you found a good reputable company that's going to come out and do a repipe on your home. There are some questions you need to ask and some requirements that you need to make sure to let them know before they start the job. The most common method is through your attic. If you live in a manufactured home, you got it, underneath. One of the biggest requirements is, what type of pipe are you putting in my house? Make sure to do your research on the best pipe that you can put inside your home before you spend a bunch of money on garbage. No matter what type of pipe you choose and decide on, make sure to make the plumber do this. If indeed they're going to run the pipes in the attic, which usually they do, what's important is if you sleeve them, you're going to make sure to insulate that pipe against the cold and the hot weather. Down here in Florida, it gets hot in the summertime. Really, really hot. And if this isn't sleeved up in the attic, you got to turn the cold water on and it's going to be hot because those pipes have heated up. If the repipe is going to happen underneath your floor, like a trailer or something like that, make them sleeve it. Look at that. 2 of them I went to today. This is that Upenauer good quality piping. Wasn't sleeved. Rats got to it. Yes, you heard me right. Rats. Look at that. This happened, it had been dripping. It wasn't spraying water. It was up underneath the vapor barrier. But I figured it had been dripping at least since we had cold weather back in January, February. This is a hot water line. These critters sense warmth. And he gnawed through that sucker looking for heat. And it caused a pinhole leak. Now perhaps if the plumber would have taken just a few moments and put some pipe wrap or sleeving on there, it could have been prevented. Last but not least, make sure that they take the time and strap down these pipes, because the last thing you want to do is hear a bunch of pipes banging around in your ceiling or your walls. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough where you consider dropping down and hitting the subscribe button. Share this with a friend that's getting ready to do a repipe. Make sure to do your research. Take a few minutes, it'll go a long ways. And like I said in our previous video, don't worry about the money because it will pay for itself in time. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Until next time, it's been Plumbing with Tim. Keep plumbing.